Today we are reviewing Fresh and Lean Organic Meal Delivery Service. The Airtight sealed dishes came packed in a cardboard box. The food was kept cool with ice packs and insulated styrofoam. This delivery came with a variety of options, an assortment of many different dishes. Let's go ahead and check some out. Take a look at their cremini lima bean blend. This one is their cauliflower pesto pasta. And woo! Here's a sweet cinnamon roll. And for a size comparison, let's look at my busted ass cell phone. All right, so now we're gonna try and cut these bad boys open. So the knife was not doing the job, so I started using scissors, but then scissors were getting all up in my food and portions started flying and like, everything was everything and it wasn't anything at all. I had 2 shipments here which featured a lot of meals. I think 21 came in a box. I had double shipments because I was out of town the week before. So one of the downsides I would say to ordering a meal delivery service like this is if you don't get to them in time to pause your order, you are for sure going to get too much food. And it's hard to get through all that food. And with the frustrations that I experienced getting into the food, I definitely felt like a lack of motivation to eat the food daily because it was such a headache. Having to do all of this is just too much and a waste of my time. Bye-bye, into the trash you go. If I have to give them credit for anything, their food is well sealed, almost too well sealed. Despite how well sealed it is though, because their food is fresh and doesn't have preservatives, it still goes bad, so don't be fooled by the packaging. You do need to eat this food timely. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Smash that like button and subscribe to us if you haven't done so already. All right, Hillary out. Hey guys, I want to tell you to check out my newest video on my podcast channel, Pink Theory. I post new videos once a week on Thursday. We talk about a lot of cool stuff, which I can't wait to share with you. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, ring the bell for notifications, and pop on over to Pink Theory. And don't forget to rinse and repeat, because I'll catch you on the flip side. Yay, we recorded some shit.